In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the price from your Shopify store. This process is particularly useful if you're planning to showcase products without immediately revealing their prices, perhaps when you're focusing on building interest before a big launch, or when offering custom quotation services. Let's dive right in and make these changes effortlessly. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once in, find your way to the Home dashboard, which is the landing page after you log in. From here, locate and click on Online Store in the left-hand navigation panel. The Online Store section is your gateway to all things related to your online shop's appearance. It's where you can begin tailoring the experience your customers will have. After entering the Online Store section, you'll next need to identify which theme you're currently using. You'll find a list of your installed themes here. Once you've spotted your active theme, click on it. This step leads you to an interface where you can further customize the look and functionality of your theme. Now that you've entered the theme customization area, the next thing to do is click on Edit Code. What you're going to do here is a slight modification in the theme's code to hide the price display. Fear not if you're unsure about coding, I'll guide you through it step by step. Within the code editor, you'll need to find a specific file